And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 215. Let me show the Sumi-e filter. We'll go to Filter, Filter Gallery, and under Brush Strokes, it's the last option. Let me zoom out a little bit. The biggest impact has the stroke pressure. So this could be defined as, let's say, the intensity. Technically speaking, it simulates the varying pressure that's applied by the brush. So the higher you go, the higher the pressure will be, and therefore it makes the stroke look heavier, more saturated with ink. And if you go low, you're going to get a more gentle touch. Contrast is, in this case, what it always is, just the difference between the darkest and brightest parts of an image. And then we have the stroke width. This just controls the thickness of the brush stroke. So smaller values will make it finer, more delicate, and higher values will give you larger, you could almost say bolder brush strokes. And this I can simulate this typical Japanese ink wash painting that's called Sumi-e in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.